In this question, we're being told that OABC is a parallelogram, and we can see that OA is a vector A and OC is a vector C, and we can see those two vectors labeled on the diagram. X is a midpoint of the line AC, so let's just draw a line from A to C, and X, we're being told, is a midpoint of the line AC. The next point we're being told is OCD is a straight line, so that OC ratio CD is equal to K ratio 1, and we already have the line OC. Let me just extend that to make it OCD, and we're being told that OC ratio CD is K ratio 1. Next, given that XD equals to 3C minus half A, find the value of K. So typically, we'll start our question with the vector that we're given. So XD equals to 3C minus half A. And then we can rewrite XD as XC plus CD, right? Because X to D would be X to C plus C to D. So let's just rewrite XD as XC plus CD, and that's equal to 3C minus half A. Now, XC, let's just find out what that is equal to. So XC is just, X is, we're being told, is the midpoint of the line AC, which means that XC should be half of AC, right? So half of AC, we don't know what AC is equal to, so let's just find AC. AC is equal to, well, it's to go from A to C, we can go A to O and then O to C. So AO plus OC. And because OA is A, AO being the opposite would be negative A. Plus OC, we know that it's C. And let me just write that in convention. So C minus A, because we always write positive first. Okay, so now that we know AC is equal to C minus A, we can plug that over here. So XC is equal to half of C minus A, because once again, XC is half of AC because X is a midpoint of AC. Okay, so half of C minus A plus CD equals to 3C minus half A, which means if I were to open the bracket, it's going to be half C minus half A plus CD equals to 3C minus half A. We can see that there's a negative half A on both sides, so we can actually cancel it out. This is equivalent to adding 1/2 A on both sides, which is going to cancel the negative half A on both sides anyway. Half C plus CD equals to 3C. That's what we get. Now, to solve for a CD, we can just do 3C minus half C, right? Because this is half C, we can take it to the other side. So 3C minus half C, which means CD equals to 3C minus half C, which is going to be 5 over 2C, right? Because 3 minus 1 over 2 is 5 over 2. Because 3 is the same as 6 over 2, and this is 1 over 2. 6 over 2 minus 1 over 2 is 5 over 2. Okay, so why is this important? It's important because we know that OC ratio CD is K ratio 1. If CD is 5 over 2C, and we know that OC, right, OC is equal to C, right? Okay, once again, OC is C, CD is 5 over 2 times C. What does that mean? That means OC ratio CD should be 1 ratio 5 over 2. Okay, once again, if CD is 5 over 2 times C, that means that the ratio OC to CD is 1 to 5 over 2. Okay, and the question is saying, right, given that OC is ratio CD is K ratio 1, so it's K ratio 1. So if I want to go from 5 over 2 to 1, what do I need to do? Well, I need to divide by 5 over 2, which means that if I were to divide 1 by 5 over 2, that will be my K. So 1 divided by 5 over 2 just means flip 5 over 2. Okay, if you ever divide 1 by anything, you're reciprocating that thing. So k is going to be 2 over 5. So once again, k is going to be 2 over 5.